3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rukhsar and I basically create videos on nails, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 5 trendy nail art designs for which actually I have got inspiration from one of the Insta filter. I have built 5 design and I have recreated on my nails. I'm super excited to show that to you guys and I hope you guys will also like it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you feel so. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Keep watching.
So guys, for the first design I'm taking this white color and I'm going to apply it as base, and I have applied multiple coats so that I can achieve the pigmentation I want. Once I'm done with that, I will be curing it, and on top of that I will be creating the actual design. Now I'm taking this sky blue color and going to create some straight lines. First I'm creating vertical lines and going to cover on whole nail. Once I'm done creating all the lines, I will be blending them so that they will not look so harsh. And once I'm done creating all the lines, I will be curing it, and top of that I will create horizontal lines in the same way. And guys, it's pretty simple design which anyone can recreate. For the next design guys, I'm taking this lavender color and going to use it as base. Again, I am going to apply multiple coats so that I can achieve the darker shade. Once I'm done with that, I will be curing it, and on top of that I will be creating some flowers with sky blue and lavender color. In middle I'm creating this big flower using lavender color, and I will create some small flowers in this side, and after that I will cure it and place a yellow dot in the middle of flowers so that my flower will look complete. So that is again the pretty easy design. For the third design, I'm taking this nude and going to apply it as base on all over my nail. As you can see in the design, I have to create hearts with different shades of pink. So I'm first starting with the darker shade of pink and creating heart in the middle. I will be first creating all the design with the darker shade, and then I have to cure it, and once I'm done with that, I will be creating hearts with the lighter shade of pink. So I will quickly go ahead and do that. This design actually is very trendy on Insta, and you guys also can see the outcome. It looks very pretty. Next guys, for the fourth design, I'm taking this beige color as base, and on top of that I'm going to create these strawberries using this darker shade of pink. I'm creating one in the middle and few in the sides. Once I'm done creating all these strawberries, I will be taking this green shade to create the leafy top, and then I will put some dots in the middle to finish this look. For the next design guys, I'm taking this white color as base and going to apply multiple coats. Once I'm done curing it, on top of that, as you can see in the design, I have to create different flowers using different colors. So I'm taking dotting tool and placing 4 dots to create the flowers, and one by one I will create all the flowers, and also in between I will be blending the petals so that the flower will look nice. Once I'm done creating all the flowers, I will be curing it, and on top of that I will be placing a yellow dot in middle so that the flowers will look complete. So that's how this design looks. Next guys, after curing the top coat, I'm taking this cuticle oil which I've got from Nykaa. I'm going to apply it on all my nails and massage it gently. This is the final look guys. I actually loved each one of the design I have created today. I hope you guys will also like it, and let me know in the comment section which one of the design was your favorite. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.